Welcome to our channel. If you want to file your federal taxes online without paying the IRS for filing services and avoiding costly mistakes, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Determine if you qualify for IRS Free File, which offers free tax preparation software for taxpayers with adjusted gross income of $79,000 or less. Visit irs.gov/freefile to access participating providers. Step 2. Alternatively, use free file fillable forms if your income is higher. These are electronic versions of IRS paper forms, free for everyone, but require more tax knowledge. Step 3. Gather all tax documents before starting, including W-2s from employers, 1099 forms for other income, 1098 forms for mortgage interest or student loan interest, and receipts for deductible expenses. Step 4. Create an account with your chosen free filing service and start a new tax return. Have your prior year's tax return handy, as you may need information from it to verify your identity. Step 5. Enter your personal information accurately, including Social Security numbers for you, your spouse, and dependents. Double-check all numbers as errors can cause processing delays or rejections. Step 6. Report all income, even if you didn't receive a form for it. The IRS receives copies of your W-2s and 1099s, and discrepancies trigger notices or audits. Step 7. Claim all deductions and credits you're eligible for. The software will guide you through common deductions like student loan interest, education credits, and child tax credits. Step 8. Review your return carefully before filing. Check for math errors, missing Social Security numbers, and incorrect bank account information if you're choosing direct deposit for refunds. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.